and welcome to Niche, a genetic survival game. As I said so many times, now I'm getting tired of saying that, but today I have something special, something better than my other one video. It is I will be making a new nicheling, and it's going to be sandbox mode. It's going to be a medium island in the swampy hills, maybe, but maybe not. I want to be able to randomize this kind of, but that's not going to happen really. So we are just going to do the rainforest, and we're going to do the pause settings. I'm just going to check them first, and this is going to be everything. Well, and the chain settings, we got Lou. Lou is one of our first females. Lou is a very important part in the story, that plays in the story. So, just popcorn for this, because this is going to be not that long a video, this thing, but it's going to be pretty long. So, let's get into it. First, this is the story of Lou. Lou was born on a jungle island, and one of the rogue males, basically, Lou's story is basically Lou got attacked and got damaged as a wild nicheling, so she thinks, why not just go out and be a wild bee, start a little pack with me. So, and she starts a pack to not be able to get attacked that much, and she will protect that pack with all she has, literally. But all she can really do is swim. She cannot breathe underwater, but she can swim. We only start with 100 food, and she cannot really collect food that well. So I'm thinking Lou here should be good with swimming for now. Okay, she finds one. 3 ones, I think. Tick looking groovy. Yeah, but Lou works very hard. Honestly, she's been working for years. Well, not years but just years to be able to learn the skills of it. To know what you need for this. And she is wondering what's out there beyond the grassy jungle, rainforest in this place. And this is the greatest, and I mean the greatest time. Lou was just abandoned by her family, basically, so she does not know who her parents are. You can make a video where she tries to reunite with her siblings. Should we try to find her siblings or something like that? But Okay, yeah, but that it's only been 4 days with Rainforest here, and we have enough food for everything. I just don't want to get too close to the to this rainforest because I can't pick the food off this, so it's not that great. And I think it's becoming way too sunny in this place, so it's not the greatest. We just have to find a meat that has some luck with all these poison fangs and being able to pick either way. But why? I forgot the rainforest has some bugs, so I just saw a bird go through my window. Around, I saw a bird through in my window. In my window, I mean, flew around. It flew. So, okay, let's get back into it. But I will just say, Lou does not have the best luck though, because Lou just got swarmed by a bunch of these bugs, and they made her sleepy, so she could not get them in the first try. Wow, she's not good at this. So she thinks like, wow, this is so much. These things keep putting me to bed. So she thinks, wow, well, we're gonna move out of here. And she thinks, why not? Why not? Just, these bugs keep chasing her, so she keeps thinking, why not? Why not just not play your game and everything? She's not getting a little bit frustrated though. Oh my god. Oh. So she's like, well, let's just go back to sleep. But hopefully we can finally lose somebody to feed it, because I gotta use my left hand. This is so confusing. Okay, she's sleeping. I hate these bugs. I found somebody. There's somebody there. I think they're gonna take them up. Oh my god! What is happening? These are fighting! Okay, here's my favorite. This thing confusing because it's really hard doing this while having recording too. So I'm like, well, I'll offer him some food. He's like, what are you doing? This is such a bad place. Let's just say his story was he came over here and he was intending not to be fighting somebody, so I'm like, can you help me out a little bit? Like, yeah, I'll lick you. She's like, wow, that's crazy. And she's like, I've never seen anybody else from her parents. He's not fertile. He's Lou fertile? Yeah, she's super fertile. I think she's a tea. Oh.
You want a burger, buddy? Burger? You want a burger? Burger? You hungry now? Oh. Nurse, you want the pizza?